My name is Bálint Bojtos, I'm Development Officer at PREMET. Our company focuses on the titanium 3D printing of custom-made medical devices. We are specialized in the production of human and veterinary implants. Manufacturing these implants requires strict quality control. One critical issue here is the reuse of titanium powder. So in order to maintain high quality, we limit the number of reuse cycles. And over the last year, as part of Better Factory's 3D art design project, we have been working together with an artist to create a new opportunity from this metal waste. And we could introduce a completely new high-end product portfolio made entirely of this reused material powder.
I'm Nick Ervinck. I'm an artist from Belgium. I work between the virtual space and the physical space, between nature and culture. Together with the collaboration with Better Factory, with PREMET LASRAM, we have designed a trophy, a jewelry, a pen and a mask sculpture. For the dental trophy, I was inspired by the tooth. I used the volume of the tooth to design an abstract sculpture. I hollow out the parts and replace them by a Voronoi structure that has references to the bone structure. It's such a complex sculpture that it would be impossible to make with any other technology in the world today than except with titanium 3D printing. For the pen sculpture, I was inspired by my themes like the blob series and the skin series. I tried to capture movement, the transformation into an abstract sculpture pen. Here again, I also replaced parts with a Voronoi structure to make an exceptional and beautiful pen. 3D printing is very good, but also the surface is very important as an artist. So we needed to design new high-tech robot solutions for the surface treatment.
I'm Attila Harsányi, Robot Division Manager at LASRAM Engineering. LASRAM focuses on high-end industrial robotic solutions for various needs. The Robot Meta Post-Processing Station, or ROMEPS as we call it, handles and automatizes the three major surface treatments: sandblasting, acid etching and anodization. The system is designed to be mobile and as compact as possible whilst conforming to safety standards. The sandblasting surface quality is adjustable, however, if it's required, the process can also be handled manually. During acid etching, the environmental factors are measured and the process changes automatically based on the liquid's degradation level, so we can predict maintenance intervals. We also integrated color anodization to serve artistic needs. Our developed post-processing web application, PMP, allows the user to upload any curve and adjust the desired color for each segment in a fully coding-free way. The robot follows that predefined path while changing the anodization voltage. As a result, it creates a unique color pattern. The second developed unit, ECI, is a universal bridging solution between factory floor components and IoT agent. These softwares are outstanding results of the Better Factory project and they can be utilized by other manufacturing companies. Both softwares will be available on RAM Marketplace, providing the possibility to further evolve the manufacturing of products.
3D printing can create very unique and complex shapes, and these creative products help us to push the limits of the technology. We are very proud to offer this dental trophy for the Hungarian Digital Dentistry Society, which has become their yearly award of high achievement. It is truly an art piece that showcases what 3D printing is capable of. And we are also offering a fully customizable titanium pen with a truly unique geometry. It's made from a really prestigious material and has an artistic value as well.
For me, this collaboration was fantastic. I learned a new technology, I learned characteristics of titanium 3D printing. I learned how to solve limitations, how to solve aesthetic issues, how to work with floating lines in my design and how to find solutions for that. With all the knowledge I have today of 3D printing titanium, of coloring, I'm already dreaming of the sculptures of tomorrow.